Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop on a Mac computer, tutorial 7, how to crop an image. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop, and the project we have been working on. So we're going to now turn the attention to the desktop. Let's click on photo.psd, double click, and that should open up. So in the previous tutorials, we have looked at duplicating the layer. Let's just click on the I for image copy. So we are not working within that layer. Click on screenshot. Go to the left hand side navigation menu. Click on frame tool. And this will allow us to crop a segment of the image itself. And now enter. And so now the image has been cropped to the size of what we require. So we can now move the image around if we require to. And so the crop itself is done. Command S to save. Quit Photoshop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.